Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C21Y, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So before we get started, you will need to grab one of these SIM eject tool. This comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. And additionally, you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have either a paper clip or the SIM eject tool, you can pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone, right over here. Push the pin in, the tray pops out, and once you take it out, you can see that you have space for two different SIM cards and one SD card. I'm going to occupy one of each. There we go, like so. And now I can insert it back into the device. Now you want to do it carefully. There's nothing holding those cards in place, so they might fall out if you don't do it carefully. But anyway, once you insert it into the device, your phone should read them automatically. As you can see, my SIM card is already being detected and it's prompting me to put a SIM pin. So SIM card is obviously working, and let's look for the SD card. And there we go, it just popped up, SD card detected as well. And that is how you insert both of them. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.